Hey, what's up guys? Advait here, and in this video we are going to look at the HTC One M9 rumors. The HTC One M9 or HTC HEMA is the flagship phone of HTC, and as its arrival date nears, we have lots of rumors and rumors. We have leaked images, we have leaked specifications, we have leaked design, and all this information comes from the insiders as well as the various third-party case manufacturers. So in this video, I have tried to group all of such rumors together. So let's see what's exactly making the buzz this time around.
Speaking of the design, the HTC One M8 is a very nicely built phone and definitely one of the most beautiful phones out there. Some news suggests that the HTC One M9 will be made by an even tougher aluminium construction. HTC seems to be following the principle of if it ain't broken, you don't fix it. We may get to see a different camera on the rear this time around and a few minor refinements here and there. But in terms of the overall design and the build quality, the HTC One M9 seems to be following the footsteps of its predecessor. We may get to see the HTC One M9 in 3 different colors: silver, space grey and gold. Speaking of the display, the HTC One M9 will have a 5-inch Full HD display. Some rumors suggested a QHD 1440 by 2560 resolution, but HTC doesn't seem too interested in QHD, at least at this point of time. And I think not having a QHD resolution will have a positive impact on the battery. Speaking of the processor, the HTC One M9 will be powered by the industry-leading Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 processor. The Snapdragon 810 is a 64-bit octa-core processor featuring 4 Cortex A57 cores and 4 Cortex A53 cores. The HTC One M9 will also feature 3 gigs of RAM for smooth multitasking. Speaking of the camera, this is where most of the rumors are emerging from. To start with, the HTC One M8 has a 4 megapixel ultra pixel camera. Now, it takes some great low lighting shots but lacks image quality. So, some rumors suggest a better and bigger ultra pixel camera on the back, while some rumors suggest dual rear cameras on the back just like the One M8 has, while some rumors suggest a single 21 megapixel camera on the back side. Same is the case with the front facing cameras. Some leaks suggest a 4 megapixel ultra pixel camera, while some leaks point out to a 13 megapixel front facing camera just like we have in the Desire series. I personally think the camera on the HTC One M9 will have a big say on the impact the HTC One M9 creates. Talking of speakers, the HTC One M8 has boom sound, dual front facing speakers that have set the industry leading audio experience that is still unmatched by its rivals. This time around, HTC has teamed up with audio partners Bose, so the speakers in the HTC One M9 are going to be a big highlight. Speaking of the software experience, the HTC One M9 will come pre-installed with Android Lollipop with HTC Sense 7 UI on top of it. For all those who love stock Android experience, we have the HTC One M9 Google Play Edition device coming out soon. And for all the Windows enthusiasts out there, we have the HTC One M9 running Windows 10 later this year. Speaking of battery, the HTC One M9 is said to feature a 2840 mAh battery, hoping to get you at least through a day on a single charge. Another news that is making huge waves in the smartphone industry right now is that we may actually have an elder brother of the HTC One M9, namely the One M9 Plus. The HTC One M9 Plus is said to be an high-end phablet with a QHD 1440 by 2560 resolution display.
As we have seen, there are lots of rumors spicing up. But one thing to remember is that the actual product may be or may not be similar to all these leaks and rumors. In fact, we don't even know if the HTC One M9 Plus is launching at the MWC. So all these rumors need to be taken with a pinch of salt. So that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. I would like to know what are your opinions and your expectations from the upcoming HTC One M9 and the One M9 Plus. Let me know that in the comments below. Until then, have a great day.